and today I would like to share with you my tip for indoor houseplants. As you can possibly tell, I have recorded this outdoors. This has been the first mildest day since winter that I was able to bring all my indoor houseplants outside, and the reason for doing so is it gives rain for the rest of the day. I will bring the houseplants indoors later on this evening, but whilst they're outdoors they will get misted for free from the rain and they'll be in the natural elements. Indoor houseplants need misted because generally they're around central heating, and this dries the leaves out and sort of makes the plants fatigued. So it's a good tip throughout summer until autumn or until the frosts start again. If you know that the weather is to be relatively mild and it's going to be a rainy day, take advantage of that. Bring your houseplants outside and let them get all the natural elements from the rain. Natural rainwater is more effective and more healthy for your plants than going to the tap. This is also more water sustainable, and you would be surprised how lush and vigorous your plants will get after a day outside in the rain. Just because they're indoor houseplants doesn't mean to say you can't bring them outside. I really hope that tip was helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.